Okay, today I wanna make a remix of this model. Um, I don't, I didn't find any remixes that would do what I want, so I just want to make my own. The challenge is that it has magnets there, and magnets are, let me see, magnets 8 by 3 millimeters, and I don't have that size of magnets. I have 6 by 2 millimeters, and there are no remixes of that model yet with the magnet sizes I want. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make my own. And I'm gonna do in almost in the Onshape. Let's see. Document. Let's see. Okay, so let's see. Import the STL that I need. Is that the one? I think that's the one. SX and DX. These are two I want to import. Okay. Okay. Very good. Oh, hmm. Usually, usually I can see them. Nope, that's weird. Well, anyways, let's see if we can use them. I want to do a derive. Huh, very interesting. So this is weird. I do what? Huh. Oh, I see. It's still doing this. Okay. Okay. Now we'll get. Okay. Here's the part. Oh, okay. Here's the part. Uh, make this distance. And I'm gonna do that part from. Mhm. 1 part 2 part 3 surface on Well, let me see which I want. I kind of want this little surface there. Sorry. One. Yeah. Well, I kind of want them. Oh, okay, all three parts. Okay, yes. So, okay, looks much nicer now. One, part two, part two. Okay, I do the whole thing. Yeah, I can do the whole thing. Yep. Okay, it's finally loaded. So this one is, I think, the left clip. Left clip. Okay, we're going to do another turn part from this one. This one. That should be right clip. Okay, it's important. Finally, actually reverse that. So this one is going to be left clip. This is going to be right click. I got it by but anyways. And these are magnet holes here and here. So this is a magnet hole that I want to resize a little bit. Well, it's a shape, so we cannot really do any modifications to it, like in terms of features and stuff like this. So we're just gonna add to it, defining the surface. So first, I'm going to define the surface plane. Well, actually, I want 3-point plane. Yeah. Uh, this, 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 and 3 points on the surface. That's gonna be whole one surface. And right now I'm which one I'm doing. It's not one left. I obviously doing left, so I'm gonna make a folder of the left clip. Okay. Like this. Okay. One surface. So I have a surface here. And on that surface, I'm gonna make a sketch. A center, yeah, center point circle. On what surface? Yes, center point circle. Gonna make a center here. Make it concentric. Yes, on this plane. Surface. Sketch from this. Okay, perfect. Center point. Circle. Okay, I don't want to do that yet. Use this center point circle. Now I can use that. And here we go. So now I want to on there. I want that to be 6 mm now. Okay. And 6 millimeter now here. Switch to the left. Come on. It's probably didn't confirm it. Okay. Uh, there between these items. Come on. Oh, it's still on. So apparently these meshes are making it really slow. Okay, I'll wait. Okay, it's fine. Now reload it. So hole diameter is going to be hole diameter, 6 mm. Then we're going to make another center circle point. Circle like this. Now I'm gonna use the use feature, find a vertex here. And then I'm gonna say that this should coincide with this. Okay, that may circle exactly, hopefully exactly as the inner the the inner diameter of the original. Okay, and now we are going to say this is oh, sketch, and I'm going to extrude that part in the other direction. Okay, and I'm going to say not line, but up to X, or nope, then up to face, and this face. Nope. Okay, up to vertex, and I'll pick this vertex. For some reason, it cannot resolve it. Nope, no gyroscope. Nope. This is so weird. It actually worked, but for some reason it doesn't do this. Yeah, it doesn't want to move. This is so weird. Hmm, interesting. Very good at the merge scope. This. Nope, still doesn't want to do it. Hmm. Well, okay, if we do it blind, then it still doesn't want to do it. So something, it doesn't like something. So probably there is some sort of an intersection. Merge result. Interesting. Not sure what it doesn't like. Right directly. That will good. Oh, how do I find out what it doesn't like? Failed to return a valid part. Hmm, very interesting. Okay, apparently it doesn't work to like with mesh as well, so I'm gonna switch to new. It used to be add here, so I'm gonna switch to new, and I'm gonna do up to vertex. Well, it's kind of figured that out, the previous vertex that I picked. And I think that should be fine for our purposes. Um, external walls. Okay, that's pretty good. Now the thickness. Now we need a little bit of extra thickness because the depth of the hole is 2.7 millimeters roughly, which we can actually measure from this to this. It's going to be 2.8. So 2.8 millimeters. And we really need 1.8 millimeters, I guess. So we're going to extrude. Okay, had to refresh the thing. So I'm gonna do this on this sketch. Um, I just want to extrude the inner circle. That's pretty much all I want. Okay, it did something. Okay, not that's no. I want just come on. I want just this. Show me the sketch, and I want this, and I want this the other direction. Perfect. And I want to up to next. Nope. Okay, up to face. Oh no, I want blind actually. I made a variable here, extra thickness of 1 millimeter, and I want it to be extra thickness here, and this is extra solid. Which direction did it go? Hello? Oh, I need to reselect the thing. Okay. I want this. Now we're talking. Okay. There it is. Very nice. Okay. Onshape is extra slow today. So I want to actually merge scope with this. So it's a single part. Okay. And we're going to call this part if we get to that point. Instead of part 7 is going to be whole. Okay, so now it's a single part that modifies our whole. It has variables, and this is pretty much done for the first one. And I'm gonna pause on this and continue the next video.